5 तत्वों से बना हमारा शरीर। आकाश, ईथर, ETHER, ईथर, एयर, फायर, वाटर, अर्थ। स्वस्थ रहने के लिए वात, पित्त, कफ को कंट्रोल करना है। नमक गर्म पानी के गरारे या हल्दी गर्म पानी के गरारे या फिटकरी वाले गर्म पानी से गरारा। गर्म पानी का भाप लेना। एक्सरसाइज, योगा, सर्वांग चक्र, अर्धचंद्र, उष्ट्र, गले को घुमाएं। वज्र, मंडूक, शशक, वक्र, गोमुख, मकर, भुजंग, शलभ, मरकट, पवन मुक्त, अर्धला, पादवीर, चक्रीय, शव। प्राणायाम, भस्त्रिका, कपालभाति, बाहरीय, उज्जयी, अनुलोम विलोम, भ्रमरी, उद्गीत, दादा दादी का काढ़ा, दालचीनी, मुलेठी, काली मिर्च, अदरक, सौंठ, इलायची, नीम, गुड़, तुलसी, गिलोय, खजूर, कलौंजी, अनार, लौकी, मेथी, चना, कुर्थी, साबुत मूंग। खाने में हींग डालना है। मास्क लगाना है। साबुन से हाथ धोना है या हैंड सैनिटाइजर का इस्तेमाल करना है। कम से कम घर से बाहर निकलना है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आराम करना है। टाइम टेबल, सीरियल नंबर, स्टार्ट एंड वर्क। 1-6 wake up, 2-6 to 6:50 housework and make breakfast, 3-6:50 to 7:30 get ready for school, 4-7:30 to 2:15 school time share market, 5-15 to 2:25 change, 6-25 to 2:50 lunch. On school holiday, lunch time would be 1 to 1:30. 2:50 to 3:30 share market, 8 3:30 to 4 full day share market discussion, 9 4 to 5 study school homework, 10 5 to 5:30 yoga, 11 5:30 to 6:15 park physical activity, 12 6:15 to 7:20 video topic discussion analysis, 13 7:20 to 8 housework dinner making, 14 3 to 3:30 dinner, 15 8:30 to 9 hobby study extra activity, 16 9 to 9:50 TV, 17 9:50 to 6 sleep. Rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market. 9 trading start towards day trend, 9:15 market gives bounce back, 9:25 square of position of out of money and against the trend, market moves towards day trend, 9:35 market gives bounce back, 10 market moves towards day trend, at 12:30 global market open candle indicate in that direction, 1:30 market moves towards day trend, 15 trade square of position and market moves against day trend and towards global market direction, 15:20 3:20 close and build position and hedge as per trend and global market direction, change out of money in the money at cheap price. A, buy call and put with minimum premium, sell call and put with maximum premium of long short expiry date, stop loss in profit and hedge before loss. B. Rainbow cover page of option trading plan. Wait for your loss recovery environment. We lost our 99% money due to open your computer and start trading only after 1:30 p.m. Identify which news. Start with one lot put. Nifty raise 30 is the stop loss. See increase profit and quantity from support or resistance. Book profit and loss by keeping double and half call and put at least 50 points in the money. Cover loss from profit. Never lose temper in teamwork. Stay updated, predict, presume, analyze, make and implement plan. Work on strength and weakness, discussion and suggestion to become disciplined. One table of contents, two timetable, rainbow trend and momentum timetable of global market, three process to learn and start working in the stock market kernels, four take complete information of law, rule, notification, etc. by study and experience, two underline 4618, five follow the most important information given by all YouTubers and experts which we were not following. 10 paragraphs. 6. Never start trading if you have not completed the following work. 2 underline 4618. 7. Trade starts on Friday at 10 a.m. and ends on Thursday at 3:10 p.m. 7. Speed plan to trade. 8. Information needs to be checked before starting trading. Image 822. 9. The first thing to do is identify the market trend as per the data and information trade trend table. 10. Market range is decided mainly by option data. 9 points in the middle. 11. Our main plan and hero zero plan to become experts. Do very hard work to identify the right trend. 12. Price and quantity table for hero zero plan table. 13 decide start strike price and the price and quantity table to keep call or put table. 14. Always the best strike price to enter the trade is 50 points in the money and hero zero plan 10 points and one underline. 15 simple process to start buy and keep only one lot in loss and increase quantity in profit only. Option selling. 16 stop loss and hedge rules to decide and modify hour, day, week, month stop loss and target support or resistance points. Mantra 19 points. 17 maximum 2000 losses are stop losses and 10,000 profits are the first targets. Table 20 to 35 points. 18. In case of profit the minimum stop loss is given. 2 underline 4618. 19. If quantity increased call side, put side or both side without profit and without plan, then reduce the quantity to one lot. Clean 9 paragraphs. 20 suggestion given after 1,91,000 loss and all put table to follow table. 21 improvement suggested after 2,50,000 loss. 5 paragraphs. 22 5 main points given by 5 rainbow team members. Image 822. 23. This video is to request identify, learn, discuss and compare today's market with plan given in all 30 pages. 24. Follow the timetable and get involved in all the work. Don't get involved in endless work. 25. Watch, inform and discuss 7 videos on 7 topics daily as per timetable. 26. Read book daily. Improve your reading, writing, listening, speaking, accent. 27. Study option trading, stock market, school syllabus and UPSC is syllabus together by linking to each other. Chart patterns. bullish flag, bearish flag, bullish pennant, bearish pennant, ascending triangle, ascending triangle, descending triangle, ascending triangle, descending triangle, bullish channel, bearish channel, cup with handle, cup with a handle, symmetrical triangle, rectangle, double top, cup with handle, symmetrical triangle, rectangle, double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, diamond top, rounding bottom, falling wedge, rising wedge, triple top, triple bottom, bump and run, megaphone. Bullish candlestick patterns, hammer, bullish engulfing, piercing line, inverted hammer, morning star, bullish separating lines, bullish mat hold, 3 stars in the south, dumpling top, morning doji star, bullish harami, bullish engulfing cross, bullish belt hold, 3 white shoulders, bullish 3 line strike, bullish meeting line, fry pit bottom, tower bottom, bullish kicking, stick sandwich, upside Tasuki gap, bullish side by side white lines, rising 3 methods. Option trading strategies, serial number, strategy time, serial number, strategy level, market view, risk reward. Option trading strategy, serial number, strategy level, market view, risk reward. One one long call BBULU, 2 short call necked call ABUL, 3 long put BBULU, A long call BBULU, 2 short call necked call ABUL, 3 long put ABBULU, 4 short put BBEUL, 5 bull call spread BBULL, 6 bull put spread advance BULL, 7 synthetic call BBULU, 8 covered cold ABUUL, 9 long combo ABUUU, 10 collar ABULL, 11 beer call spread BBELL, 12 beer put spread ABELL, 13 protective call synthetic long put BBELU, 14 covered put merit put ABEUL, 15 long by straddle B neutral LU, 16 short call necked straddle A and UL, 17 long by 17 long by strangle B and LU, 18 short cell strangle A and UL, 19 long call butterfly A and double L, 20 short call butterfly A and double L, 21 long call condor A and double L, 22 short call condor A volatile double L, 21 long call condor A and double L, 22 short call condor A volatile double L, 23 box spread arbitrage A and non L, 24 short box arbitrage A and NL, 25 covered strangle A BU double L. Buy one lot above raise 30 as per rule, and raise 30 is the stop loss. Rule 2, increase quantity in profit and come back to rule 1 before loss. One Mahaguru mantra, 2 market mantra, 3 rainbow trade timetable, 4 world market time, 5 strategies, 6 8 35 rules, 9 menu, 10 home, 11 watch list, 12 orders, 13 positions, 14 portfolio, 15 funds, 16 17 mutual fund, 16 and 17, 16 17 mutual funds, 18 19 stock market, 20 27 indicators, 28 symbol search, 29 31 types of analysis, 32 types of trading, 33 35 chart patterns, 36 to 43 candlestick, 36 to 43 candlestick, 38 candle structure, 41 bullish candle, 42 bearish candle, 43 reversal and continuation, 44 option premium, 45 46 factor affect market, 47 scalping plan. Quarreling, constitutional otherwise, mind capacity locker, read this 21 times daily to increase reading speed. Quarreling, constitutional otherwise, mind capacity locker, read this 21 times daily to increase reading speed and mind capacity. People behave illegally and blame for speaking loudly, abusing, quarreling, slapping, beating, fighting, illegal behavior and activity. So use constitutional and legal language to take legal actions, take legal actions against legal illegal behavior, otherwise you will always be loser. Priority team member become by collecting decision. Priority of work 1, if all 7 team members cannot sit to trade, then at least one a team member must sit and keep eye on trade during trading hours. Work as seats become a tree. Control Nifty put of our is 30 strike price by collecting information from nature, books, videos, and then discussion to take decision of trade only when opportunities for profit is available. Knowing the strike price behavior from start of monthly and weekly expiry to till the end, buy and keep put buy and keep put, buy call on opportunity, use of option chain data, knowing and using factors affect market, follow our all plans. 2. Teach one strategy of the day daily as per trading environment. 3. Teach at least 2 topics daily. 4. Watch at least 7 videos on time from playlist or from our channel. 5. Follow timetable. News indicators, price action, morning calls, economic reports, newsletter. How we observe, think, process, substituting experience, thought patterns, emotion, behavior, normal disorder, personality disorder, cure, treated, uh, cure, treated traumatic event. Personality disorder, cure, treated traumatic event. Understanding your mind, one a trader's mental blind spots. Trading psychology, activity of mind to understand mind, natural limitation in any cognitive capabilities, biases, heuristics, error, probabilities, shortcut, deficiencies. Psychologists hijacked, trap, discomfort, comfort zone, never nervous, nervous trading behavior, frustrated, wiped out, intuitive and deliberative thinking, upsetting, in inescapable, natural, unavoidable attitude. 2. Strong emotion in trading. 110. Fear, greed, anxiety, hope of possible responses, worry, doubt, fear, confusion, certainty, uncertainty, stress, consideration, fearful loss in natural loss is natural part of trading. Fearful loss is natural part of trading. Concrete plan, sound money management, risk parameter, trading trading judgment, decision required, mental skills, abilities, tools, technique, method, experience, performance, competence, management, record, being wrong, losing money, missing out, leaving money on the table, consideration, reference, preference, performance. Meditation, yoga, exercise, engagement in activity and work, mindfulness and body scanning, sit calm, don't react, timetable, mood, energy, activity levels, concentration, plan task versus intuitive task, psychology, moods, thoughts, behaviors, just calm down, EQ skills for trader, helplessness, trade mindfully, achieve your optimum trading performance with mindfulness and cutting edge psychology, body part activation by different emotions, LAW law enforcement officer system, erratic trading, action, write down type of emotions you are feeling, mental disorder, process, cutting edge, cut your profit short, be aware of your emotions, thought, action patterns, correct wrong patterns, emotional and psychological abuse, acknowledge mood, anxiety disorder, nightmare, realization, mental illness, mental health, thinking, feeling, anger, annoyance, frustration, illusion, sadness, guilt, highly intuitive pupil, excitement, disgust, im- impatience, joy, boredom, aspirational desire, miserable, stomach was upset, mouth dry, one motivation, happiness, love, pride, anger, frustration, sonder, monacopsis, schizophrenia, restlessness, two, anxiety, fear, disgust, hanker sore, stress, onism, dissociative identity disorder, DID, increased energy, 3, contempt, surprise, shame, envy, jalan, lakeism, nighthawk, major depressive disorder, MDD, speech pressured, 4, dukh, depression, ellipsism, ellipsism, curiosity, K, catoptric tristesse, bipolar disorder, increased distractibility, self-harm, bully, 5, internal emotions, subconscious state, माउर बाउर ट्रैक रिकेटे माउर बाउर ट्रैक्रिकेटे जोस्का इरिटेबल ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर ओसीडी 6 इमोशंस एंड एक्शंस क्लियरिटी इमोशंस इमोशंस को दबाया या ओवरथिंक नहीं किया जा सकता। नोशियन जीनोशियन जनरलाइज्ड एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर जीएडी अनकॉन्शियस जेलियस स्टिग्मा। 7 mindfulness librosis sadness have have not acknowledged disrupt thought process trauma self identity body ache comfort zone distract worry ignore shout anger yield isolated functional behavior functional behavior assessment FBA conflict resolution by good listening abuse blame physical social political bureaucratic judiciary abuse community health suppressed emotions। fight with drawback tendency and develop sustained resistance। fight with drawback tendency and develop sustained resistance। nature nurture heredity dark triad narcissism machiavellianism psychopathy narcissism 1 self-centeredness 2 grandiosity 3 lack of empathy 4 sense of entitlement 5 exaggerated self importance 6 attention seeking behavior 7 egocentricity 8 need of admiration 9 inflated ego 10 obsession with success Machiavellianism 1 manipulativeness 2 cunningness 3 strategic thinking pragmatism 5 focus on achieving goals 6 willingness to receive and exploit 6 willingness to deceive and exploit 7 lack of concern for morality 8 willingness to use others for personal gain 9 ability to charm and influence others 10 a desire for power and control psychopathy checklist 1 glibness superficial charm 2 grandiose sense of self-worth EISN TFJP II NTJP NFJP STSFJ STSFP EISN TFJP II NTJP NFJP STSFJ STSFP EISNTF JP II NTJP NFJP STSFJ STSFP MBTI personality test extroversion introversion sensing intuition thinking feeling judging perception extroversion introversion sensing intuition thinking feeling judging perception analyst IEEE NTJP extroversion introversion sensing intuition thinking feeling judging perception analysts IEEE NTJP INTJ INTP ENTJ ENTP diplomats NFJP INF INFJ INFP ENFJ ENFP sentinels STSFJ ISTJ ISFJ ESTJ ESFJ explorers STSFP explorers STSFP ISTP ISFP ESTP ESFP Light triad humanism Kantianism faith in humanity 4 dark psychology triads narcissism Machiavellianism psychopathy sadism monarchy king socialism government on company and institution democracy people elect leader autocracy one leader and party Soviet Union federal union and state federal union and state oligarchy capitalism rule of the few republic Plato federalism democracy communism one people on states two people rights to take decision communist Karl Marx anarchism non-governance self-governance to remove previous government president executives parliamentary multi-party constitutional totalitarian everything in control of government टेन पॉइंट्स फॉर वर्ल्ड रिफॉर्म विश्व सुधार के लिए 10 सूत्र वन ऑल सिटीजन रिलेटेड डेटा विल बी मेंटेन बाय द स्टेट एंड ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स विल बी गिवन टू ऑल सिटीजन इन देयर होम एक नागरिकों से संबंधित सभी डेटा राज्य द्वारा बनाए रखा जाएगा और सभी प्रकार के प्रमाण पत्र और दस्तावेज सभी नागरिकों को उनके घर पर दिए जाएंगे to all facilities will be given to all citizens without any procedure दो सभी नागरिकों को बिना किसी प्रक्रिया के सभी सुविधाएं दी जाएंगी 3 ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल एज पर देयर चॉइस। 3 सभी के लिए सभी प्रकार की शिक्षा उनकी पसंद के अनुसार। 4 ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग टू ऑल एज पर देयर चॉइस। 4 सभी को उनकी पसंद के अनुसार सभी प्रकार का व्यावसायिक प्रशिक्षण। 5 ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ रिक्रिएशनल फैसिलिटीज फॉर ऑल एज पर देयर चॉइस। 5 सभी के लिए उनकी पसंद के अनुसार सभी प्रकार की मनोरंजन सुविधाएं। 6 एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर ऑल एज पर देयर एजुकेशन वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग एंड चॉइस with equal recognition of their work like minimum support price is being given। 6 सभी को उनकी शिक्षा व्यावसायिक प्रशिक्षण और पसंद के अनुसार रोजगार उनके काम को समान मान्यता जैसे न्यूनतम समर्थन मूल्य दिया जा रहा है। 7 फाइनेंशियल एंड अदर सपोर्ट टू ऑल एज पर देयर नीड्स। 7 सभी को उनकी आवश्यकता के अनुसार वित्तीय एवं अन्य सहायता। 8 द स्ट्रिक्ट रूल ऑफ लॉ ओबीडिएंट विल बी अप्रिशिएटेड एंड एंटी लॉ विल बी पनिश्ड थ्रू द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी सिस्टम। 8 कानून का सख्त शासन कानून का पालन 8 कानून का सख्त शासन कानून का पालन करने वालों की सराहना की जाएगी और सूचना और प्रौद्योगिकी प्रणाली के माध्यम से कानून विरोधियों को दंडित किया जाएगा। 9 कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव अवेयरनेस कैंपेन ऑन द लॉ, जीरो टॉलरेंस ऑन वायलेशन ऑफ द लॉ। 9 कानून पर व्यापक जागरूकता अभियान, कानून के उल्लंघन पर जीरो टॉलरेंस। 10 complete exemption of income tax to 10 lakh 10 complete exemption to income tax to 10 lakh incomes for starting or running any work. All data will be maintained by the state in all required and all required documents will be given without the procedure. 10 complete exemption of income tax to 10 lakh incomes for starting or running any work. All data will be maintained by the state and all required documents will be given without the procedure. 10 लाख आय वालों को आयकर में पूरी छूट। किसी भी कार्य को शुरू करने या चलाने के लिए सभी डेटा राज्य द्वारा बनाए रखा जाएगा और सभी आवश्यक दस्तावेज बिना प्रक्रिया के दिए जाएंगे। CCC ACDP DRA ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर। 1 राष्ट्रीय नेशनल, 2 राज्य स्टेट, 3 केंद्र शासित प्रदेश यूनियन टेरिटोरीज, 4 प्रमंडल डिवीजन, 5 जिला डिस्ट्रिक्ट, 6 लोकसभा क्षेत्र पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, 7 अनुमंडल सब डिवीजन, 8 विधानसभा क्षेत्र असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, 9 प्रखंड ब्लॉक, 10 पंचायत, 11 मतदान केंद्र पोलिंग स्टेशंस, 12 गांव विलेज, 13 मतदान केंद्र पोलिंग बूथ। CCC ACDP DRA ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर। 1 राष्ट्रीय नेशनल, 2 राज्य स्टेट, 3 केंद्र शासित प्रदेश यूनियन टेरिटोरीज, 4 प्रमंडल डिवीजन, 5 जिला डिस्ट्रिक्ट, 6 लोकसभा क्षेत्र पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, 7 अनुमंडल सब डिवीजन, 8 विधानसभा क्षेत्र असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, 9 प्रखंड ब्लॉक, 10 पंचायत, 7 अनुमंडल सब डिवीजन, 8 विधानसभा क्षेत्र असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, 9 प्रखंड ब्लॉक, 10 पंचायत, 11 मतदान केंद्र पोलिंग स्टेशंस, 12 गांव विलेज, 13 मतदान केंद्र पोलिंग बूथ। Languages, arts and crafts. Tuesday, languages, arts and craft. 1. A letter to God to Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. 3. 2 stories about flying. 4. From the diary of Anne Frank. 5. Glimpse of India. 6. Mijbil the Utter. 6. Misbil the utter. 7. Madam rides the bus. 8. The sermon at Banaras. 9. The proposal. 1. A triumph of surgery. 1. A triumph of surgery. 2. The thief story. 2. The thief's story. 3. Midnight visitor. 4. A question of trust. 5. Footprint without feet. 6. The making of a scientist. 6. The making of a scientist. 7. The necklace. 8. Bholi. 9. The book that saved the earth. 3. Workbook of book. एक सूरदास, 2 तुलसीदास, 3 जयशंकर प्रसाद, 4 सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला, 5 नागार्जुन, 6 मंगलेश डबराल, 7 स्वयं प्रकाश, 8 रामवृक्ष बेनीपुरी, 9 यशपाल, 10 मनु भंडारी, 11 यतीन्द्र मिश्र, 12 भदत आनंद कौशल्यान, 1 कबीर, 2 मीरा, 3 मैथिली शरण गुप्त, 4 सुमित्रा नंदन पंत, 5 वीरेन डंगवाल, 6 कैफी आजमी, 7 रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर, 8 प्रेमचंद, 9 सीताराम सेक्सरिया, 10 लीलाधर मंडलोई, 11 प्रहलाद अग्रवाल, 12 निदा फाजली, 13 रविंद्र केलेकर, 14 हबीब तनवीर, 1 मिथिलेश्वर, 2 गुरुदयाल सिंह, 3 राही मासूम रजा, 1 माता का आंचल शिव पूजन सहाय, 2 सना हाथ जोड़ी मधु कांकरिया, मैं क्यों लिखता हूँ अज्ञेय, 1 resource and development, 2 forest and wildlife resources, 3 water resources, 4 agriculture, 5 minerals and energy resources, 6 manufacturing industries, 7 lifeline of national economy, 6 manufacturing industries, 7 lifeline of national economy, 1 event and processes, 1 rise of nationalism in Europe, 2 nationalism in India, 2 livelihood economics and societies, 2 livelihoods economics and societies, 3 making of global world, 4 the age of industrialization, 3 everyday life culture and politics, 3 everyday life culture and politics, 5 print culture and the modern world, 1.1 power sharing, 1.2 federalism, 2.3 gender, religion and caste, 3.4 political parties, 4.5 outcome of democracy, EI E1 H1 M1 1 E1 H1 M1 3 E3 H3 M3 SS 1 2 5 6 E6 E6 2 E6 3 E6 2 H6 3 M6 S6 SS6 3 10 7 E7 2 H7 3 M7 S7 SS7 3 10 E10 3 H10 4 M10 S10 SS 4 13 1 chemical reactions and equations, 2 acids, bases and salts, 3 metals and non-metals, 4 carbon and its compounds, 5 life processes, 6 control and coordination, 7 how do organism reproduce, 8 heredity, 9 light reflection and refraction, 9 light reflection and refraction, 10 the human eye and the colorful world, 11 electricity, 12 magnetic effects of electric current, 13 our environment. शिक्षा योजना एजुकेशन प्लान आइदर रेगुलर और कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस ओपन रेनबो सिलेबस प्लस यूपीएससी सिलेबस टुगेदर with school syllabus for Delhi or any other states or nation. Mathematics, economics and businesses documentation center start preparation with प्रतियोगिता दर्पण एक्सेट्रा पत्रिका मैगजीन फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एग्जाम्पल यूपीएससी एसपीएससी एसएससी डीएसएसबी रेलवे बोर्ड एक्सेट्रा। भाग 1 सामान्य सचेतता 1 संख्या श्रेणी नंबर सीरीज। भाग 2 अंक गणितीय योग्यता 2 1 संख्या भाग 1 सामान्य सचेतता। भाग 1 सामान्य सचेतता 1 संख्या श्रेणी नंबर सीरीज। भाग 2 अंक गणितीय योग्यता 2 संख्या पद्धति नंबर सिस्टम। 3 महत्तम समापवर्तक तथा लघुत्तम समापवर्तीय एचसीएफ एंड एलसीएम। 4 दशमलव भिन्न डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस। 5 सरलीकरण सिंप्लीफिकेशन। 6 वर्गमूल तथा घनमूल स्क्वायर रूट्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स। 7 औसत एवरेज। 8 संख्याओं पर आधारित प्रश्न प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन नंबर्स। 9 आयु संबंधी प्रश्न प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन एजेस। 10 घातांक तथा करनी श्योर्स एंड इंडाइसिस। 11 प्रतिशतता परसेंटेज। 12 लाभ तथा हानि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। 13 अनुपात तथा समानुपात रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन। 14 साझा पार्टनरशिप। 15 मिश्र समानुपात कंपाउंड प्रोपोर्शन। 16 समय तथा कार्य टाइम एंड वर्क। 17 पाइप तथा टंकी के प्रश्न पाइप्स एंड सिस्टम्स। 18 समय तथा दूरी टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस। 19 रेल संबंधी प्रश्न प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स। 20 धारा तथा नाव संबंधी प्रश्न बोट्स एंड स्ट्रीम। 21 मिश्रण एलिगेशन। 21 मिश्रण एलिगेशन, 22 साधारण ब्याज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, 23 चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, 24 क्षेत्रफल एरिया, 25 ठोस वस्तुओं का आयतन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड्स, 26 दौड़ रेसिस, 27 कैलेंडर, 28 घड़ी क्लॉक्स, 29 स्टॉक तथा शेयर स्टॉक्स एंड शेयर्स, 30 मिति काटा ट्रू डिस्काउंट्स, 31 महाजनी बट्टा बैंकर्स डिस्काउंट। भाग 3 समंकों का विश्लेषण, 32 सार्नियन टेब्यूलेशन, 33 पाई चार्ट, 34 रेखा चित्र लाइन ग्राफ्स, 35 दंड आलेख बार ग्राफ्स। वन रियल नंबर्स, 2 polynomials, 3 pair of linear equations in 2 variable, 4 quadratic equations, 5 arithmetic progression, 6 triangles, 7 coordinate geometry, 8 introduction to trigonometry, 9 some applications of trigonometry, 10 circles, 11 constructions, 12 areas related to circles, 12 surface areas and volumes, 14 statistics, 15 probability, appendix A1 proofs in mathematics, appendix 2 mathematical modeling, 1 development, 2 sectors of the Indian economy, 3 money and credit, 4 globalization and the Indian economy, 4 globalization and the Indian economy, 5 consumer rights, 1 development, 2 sectors of Indian economy, 3 money and credit, 4 globalization and the Indian economy, 5 consumer rights. Contents: 1 integers, 2 fractions, 3 decimals, 4 rational numbers, 5 exponents, 6 algebraic expressions, 7 linear equations in 1 variable, 8 ratio and proportions, 9 unitary method, 10 percentage, 11 profit and loss, 12 simple interest, 13 lines and angles, 14 properties of parallel lines, 15 properties of triangles, 16 congruence, 17 constructions, 18 reflection and rotational symmetry, 19 three-dimensional shapes, 20 mensurations, 21 collection and organization of data, mean, median and mode, 22 bar graphs, 23 probability, 24 activities. One number systems, 2 factors of multiples, 3 whole number, 4 integers, 5 fractions, 6 simplification, 7 decimals, 8 algebraic expressions, 9 linear equations in 1 variable, 10 ratio proportion and unitary method, 11 line segment ray and line, 12 parallel lines, 13 angles and their measurement, 14 constructions using ruler and pair of compasses, 15 polygons, 16 triangles, 17 quadrilaterals, 18 circles, 19 three-dimensional shapes, 20 two-dimensional reflection symmetry, linear symmetry, 21 concept of parameter and area, 22 data handling, 23 pictograph, 24 bar graph, 25 activities. Answers. Contents forward about the book. 1. What's in a name? 2. Toy Joy. 3. Double Century. 4. Vocation with my Nanima. 5. Fun with Safes. 6. House of Hundreds. 1. 7. Raksha Bandhan. 8. Fair Share. 9. House of Hundreds. 2. 10. Fun at Class Party. 11. Filling and lifting. 12. Give and take. 13. Time goes on. 14. Suraj Kund Fair. Learning material sheets. Rainbow leader. 1. Alphabet. 2. International Phonetic Alphabet IPA. 3. Numbers counting. 4. स्वर वर्णमाला तथा उनकी मात्राएं. 5. व्यंजन. 6. संख्या गिनती. 7. Read and understand the Constitution of India. 8. Expert in one skill profession. 9. Rainbow Universal School. 10. Research Action and Networking Junction of Information and Technology. 11. Rainbow Website Designing Company. 12. Democratic Representation Alliance DRA. 13. Anti-Corruption Dynamic Party ACDP. 14. प्रकृति की तरह लगातार गतिशील रहना ही जीवन है. 15. 3 questions 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half, call and put. 13. (15) 3 questions 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half, quantity and price, strategy, option trading, needs, call, put, balance time. 15. 3 questions 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half, quantity and price, strategy in option trading, needs, call, put, balance time. Needs, call, put, balance time. Needs, call, put, balance time. 15. 3 questions 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half, call, double and half, quantity and price, strategy in option trading, needs, call, put, balance time. 15. 3 questions 2 to 4, 1 red, 2 green, double and half, quantity and price, strategy in option trading, needs, call, put, balance time. 16 timetable, 17 types of fraction, 18 board mass, 19 table 1 to 17, 10 each for number reading, 20 English reading, 21 Hindi reading. Triangle, equilateral, isosceles, scalene, angle, acute, acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Various types of algebraic expressions: monomials, binomials, trinomials, quadrinomials, polynomials. Types of math: arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, sine, cos, tan, calculus, statistics, number theory, linear algebra, different equations, topology, logic, mathematical physics, theory of computation, information theory, game theory. Theta, angle, hypotenuse, adjacent, base, opposite, perpendicular, supplementary angle, complementary angle, adjacent angle, linear pair of angle. By using triangle, the distance or height can be found. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent.